Number one, never yell at each another unless your house is on fire. Number two, both of you must not be angry at the same time. Number three, if you have to win an argument, let it be your mate. Number four, if you have to criticize, do it lovingly. Number five, never bring up mistakes of the past. Number six, neglect the whole world rather than each and other. Number seven, never go to sleep with an argument unsettled. Number eight, at least once a day, try to say kind words of compliment to your partner. Number nine, when you have done something wrong, be ready to admit it and ask for forgiveness. Number 10, it takes two to make a quarrel. And how do we know who is wrong? The one who talks more.
That would be me. Just kidding.
That's to be you.
I remember the first time when Rafeena met Jay. I remember she was playing very hard to get. She was like, oh, well, there's this guy, his name is Jay. But then there was a day where Jay made this big effort and he went to Brick House Tavern and he met all of Rafeena's Red Lobster friends, which honestly takes a lot of guts to do when you know absolutely no one. And you know what? That itself was an indicator that this man is willing to just like make that effort for my girl. And I think that really showed her too. Everything life has thrown at you, you've conquered together. The love and support you have shown each other over the years has been inspirational. Rafeena, I want you to know that you are my person. We may not be sisters by blood, but we are sisters by choice. And to me, that bond is stronger than any bond.
Wow, you look beautiful. I love you.
Me too.
What?